Hello and welcome. My name is Chris Palmer. If you're brand new here, welcome to Chris Palmer SEO. In today's video, I will discuss link building and how to create another powerful backlink using Amazon. So I will go ahead and show you how to create a backlink through Amazon, and let's get right into that now. So what you will want to do is you're looking for Amazon Kindle Publishing, okay? And it's the kdp.amazon.com. You will need to create an account. You'll have to sign up. But once you have, you will come to a screen that looks just like this. After you sign up and you sign in, it will take you to this page here. And what you're looking for is you're going to go up here in the right-hand corner. As you can see, there is a community tab. You will want to click on the community tab. Once you're on the community tab, you can go ahead and take a look. We will go to log in. We will sign in. Just a moment. You will see that you have an account. It'll be in the right-hand corner. Obviously, you won't have a photo. You won't have any information. However, this is where you want to start creating an account and adding information. So you'll go to My Profile. You will add a wonderful photo just like this. You'll even get a point. You can put your name, you could put a keyword, whatever the case may be. Under here, for the About Me, you could fill out, obviously I've put SEO training. And what's great about this is you can have numerous accounts. Unlike some of the other Amazon methods and backlinking strategies that I will show you, you will need to sign up with CC information. What's great about this site is you do not need that information. So you can create numerous websites, and as you know, or maybe you do not know, and I will inform you now, if you're getting a backlink from a website, okay, and you send it to one page, let's say this page here, your home page. Now, if you were to create another Amazon account and send another backlink to that same page, it will have zero effect. However, if you have a backlink sending to one page and then the same website is sending a backlink to another page, then you will actually see a benefit. The same backlink going to the same page, no benefit. But if you have the same site going to different pages, you will see an effect. Okay, so when you go on here for your publishing, this is my sample profile. I have numerous of these going to different properties, different sites, as you can. But right here, you can send it. Now I'll go up here to my Moz bar. This is a DA44 link. Now you can send links to this profile page. That's up to you, okay? You can send your poor quality PBN links here if you want, right? Just to add a little oomph to it. So we have this here. We have our no follows, which are purple, as you can see, and your do follows are green. So here you go, going to my home page. I actually turned this into a small citation. Some of you didn't like the citation idea. Irrelevant of the fact, this is a Dofollow backlink from the KDP community, a trusted website, zero spam score. It's an Amazon site. You can send links to this. Now, once you have this done, you will go up here. This is your link to your community profile tab. If you want to get a quick crawl, there's two ways that you can do it. One, you can send the mobile fetch and render, or two, my personal favorite indexing method is you can use your video sitemap. So this is how you can go ahead and create a Dofollow backlink on an Amazon property, kdpcommunity.com. This is in the tab. I hope that I've walked you through this backlinking process so you too can link build and get backlinks from Amazon, and you can see benefit through this process. It's been an absolute pleasure showing you this method, and I hope to see you in the next link building SEO video. Have a wonderful day.